One piece of software for everyday logging, another for contests, a website for propagation, a spreadsheet for your portable activations, and a pile of open tabs for the cluster, the maps, the QSL confirmations. LogX AI brings all of that into a single application that runs on your own computer for free, no account, no subscription. It all starts here, in Config, a hub of categories rather than one long form: station identity, operators, contest selection, radio, propagation. Each card opens a dedicated pop-up with contextual help on every field available through the little question mark icon next to each setting. 41 contests built in: Ref, IRU, CQWW, CQWPX, ARRLDX, WAE, plus the complete WA7BNM World Calendar, ready in one click. And if a contest isn't in there, the AI reads the rules, PDF or web page, French or English, and proposes bans, dates, exchange, and scoring, always subject to your review before it's activated. Radio control: native cat for ICOM, Yaesu, Kenwood, Ellicraft, Xigu over serial cable, TCI for SDRs, RigCTLD for everything else. Auto-detected on plug-in, plug and play, no manual port configuration. Entry: designed to be fast. Band and mode in one click, a button, a menu, instead of a row of 17 unreadable buttons. You type the call sign, and the correspondence card appears on its own. Country, flag, history of your contacts with them, a gold alert if it's a new country ever worked. Distance, bearing, and points are calculated as soon as the grid locator is entered. And ESM mode, the enter keychains CQ, exchange, then logging the QSO without ever leaving the keyboard. In the center, the band map, spots from the cluster, RBN, and PSK reporter placed by frequency. Clicking one tunes the radio and pre-fills the call sign, 0 retyping. Red never worked. The filter lets you keep only new countries or LOTW confirmed stations. And recently, a built-in pan adapter, spectrum and waterfall from the receive audio, the native scope of recent ICOMs, or the IQ stream from a TCI server. No extra hardware for the audio version. On the right, the live log. Search, band filters, one-click export. The Mappy button switches to a map of all your QSOs for the session. And if you can't remember where a specific setting lives, a single word typed into the nav search finds the right page and the right passage without having to know the software by heart. At the bottom, the keyer, voice and phone, F1 to F8 macros in CW, with a built-in CW decoder that listens to the receive audio and displays the decoded Morse. The voice keyer spells out the call sign and report on the fly in the ICAO phonetic alphabet, and automatically keys up for the duration of the message. Always in view: the live score, time remaining in the contest, solar indices, an alert if there's a storm at your QTH without ever leaving the entry page. The AI map: every live spot positioned on the globe with the best targets ranked by real point value. Not an estimate, the actual scoring of the active contest. The copilot explains why one station is worth more than another: new country, new multiplier, distance. Propagation without leaving the software, solar indices, real MUF measured by IOTA sondes, band openings by world region, sporadic E, NCDXF beacons, and a complete EME panel, moon position, common window with the correspondent, Doppler, and link budget from just 2 grid locators. For POTA, SOTA, WWFF, IOTA, and WCA Castle activators and hunters, over 415,000 references stored locally, live spots, automatic validation, and real-time tracking of your own activation, including park-to-park detection. For hunting French departments, the map colors in as you progress department by department. The World Contest Calendar, nearly 360 events for the year, ready to prepare in one click straight from this page. A directory of WebSDR receivers around the world, to listen to your own signal before a call, or to hear a DX station from a receiver close to them. The band focus page. Everything the software knows about a band on a single screen. Cluster filtered by band and mode, openings, active contests, and every band ranked with the reasons spelled out in plain language. For practice, 10 minutes of CW generated from your own index, your log, your archives, with the exchange from your next contest. Nothing goes out over the air, it all stays in the headphones. Multiple stations in the shack, PC, tablet, phone, join the same log by opening a simple Wi-Fi address, nothing to install, up to 40 operators in Radio Club mode. For a Radio Club with its own servers, syncing can also go through a shared MySQL database near real time. And a wall display to project, the live stream of QSOs, visible from the room while friends watch. After the contact, lifetime awards, a worked matrix by band and mode, and 5 QSL services synced in one click: EQSL, LOTW without installing TQSL, Club Log, QRZCQ, HRD Log. A single file to download, no installation, no account. Your data stays on your machine. LogX AI is free under the free GPLv3 license. The code stays open and will remain so. Coming from N1MM+, WinTest, DXLog, or Log4OM. Your history imports in one click, nothing to retype. It's built by a ham radio operator with the help of an AI copilot for the coding itself. But you, out in the field, know best what's still missing. So give it a try and help me make it better.